My message here, it's not possible. You send it yours. Up later. Papa first box muna ako. Stay humble. Okay lang? Bob, you send it in the inbox. Okay lang ba? Pa first box lang ako. Bob, did you send? Alex, hello. Resis, thank you. Hindi kita mare-replyan. I did not reply you here. Because my message here, it's not possible. Wait. Where are you from, Bob? Canada. Pop-up doll, asan na? Gray, hello. Sarana, hello. ID number, hello. Daddy, how are you, Daddy? Resis, 100, meron. Avio, hello. Meron. Sige, isang ano, rune key. Rune key na lang. Hi, Bruni. Anjin Ho, hello. Only girl, hello. Por, hello. Man boy, how are you? Por, how are you, Por? Hi, man boy. Good afternoon. Are you feeling good today, man boy? I'm good. Where are you from? Taga saan ka, Por? Hi, man boy. How are you? Good afternoon. Goldman, hello. Fine. Canada. Did you send your WhatsApp to me, man boy? Can you send it to me so I will message you? What time is it there in Canada? Man boy, you send your WhatsApp to me in the inbox. Yes, Bob. Oh. Guys, you tap this what if? I have already. Wait, wait. Wait, we'll message you.